My name is Rishika. I am studying in UKG in St. Philomena's Roof of Institution, Surya City.
Jnanapita Awards winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award winner from Karnataka. Kuvenpu, Dara Pende, Shivaram Karam, Nasti Venkatesh Iyengar, B.K. Gopal, Yuvanananta Murthy, Dirish Karnad, Chandrasekhara Kambara.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance form of India. ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯಂ ತಮಿಳುನಾಡು, ಕಥಕ್ಕಳಿ ಕೇರಳ, ಕಥಕ್ ಉತ್ತರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್, ಮಣಿಪುರಿ ಮಣಿಪುರ್, ಕೂಚಿಪುಡಿ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್, ಒಡಿಸ್ಸಿ ಒಡಿಸ್ಸಾ, ಸಾತ್ರಿಯಾ ಅಸ್ಸಾಂ, ಮಕ್ಕಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯಪ್ರದೇಶ್, ದಾಂಡಿಯಾ ಗುಜರಾತ್, ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Kapilabhati, Vaigai, Yamuna.
National festivals.
National festivals, January 36, Republic Day, August 15, Independence Day, September 5th, Teachers Day, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, November 14, Children's Day.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Neptune, Uranus.
Seven wonders of India.
Seven wonders of India: Gomateshwara in Karnataka, Taj Mahal in Delhi, Hampi Temple in Karnataka, Golden Sun Temple in Odisha, Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh, Golden Temple in Punjab.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Ten Mukhya Upanishads.
10 Mukhya Upanishad: Ishavasya Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Prashna Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, Aitareya Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu: Matsya, Purma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Seven continents of the
Seven continents of the
world.
world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Five oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Neighboring countries of
Neighboring countries of
India.
India: Afghanistan, Kabul, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states
Neighboring
of Karnataka.
states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Bellary, Sridhar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Chamarajanagar, Chikkamallapura, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Ravangere, Dharwad, ಗದಗ್, ಹಾಸನ್, ಕಾವೇರಿ, ಕಲಬುರ್ಗಿ, ಕೊಡಗು, ಕೋಲಾರ, ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ, ಮಂಡ್ಯ, ಮೈಸೂರು, ರಾಮನಗರ, ರಾಯಚೂರು, ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ, ತುಮಕೂರು, ಉಡುಪಿ, ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ, ವಿಜಯಪುರ, ನ್ಯಾಕಿರಿ. ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ಸ್ ಗಣೇಶ ಚತುರ್ಥಿ, ನವರಾತ್ರಿ, ದಸರಾ, ದೀಪಾವಳಿ, ಮಹಾಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ, ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್, ಈದ್, ಹೋಲಿ, ಮೊಹರಂ, ಗುಡ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ. ವುಮೆನ್ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಫೈಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ದುರ್ಗಾಬಾಲಿ ದೇಶ್ಮುಖ್, ಅರುಣ ಸಫಾಲಿ, ಸುಚೇತ ಕೃಪಾಲಿ, ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ, ಪೊನಕೆ ಉಪ್ಪವ, ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಪಂಡಿತ್, ಸರೋಜಿನಿ ರಾಯ್ನು, ಝಾನ್ಸಿ ರಾಣಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಬಾಯಿ. Seven colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Religions of India:
Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Judaism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Presidents of India:
Presidents of India: Rajendra Prasad, Sarmapalli Radhakrishna, Zakir Hussain, B.V. Giri, B.R. Jatti, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, Jai Singh, Ramaswamy Venkataramana, Shankataya Sharma, Meya Narayan, APJ Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patil, Pranab Mukherjee, Ramnath Kovind, Draupadi Murmu.
Names of Rutus:
Names of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharat Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
Indian monuments:
Indian monuments: Agra Fort, Ajanta Cave, Charminar, Gateway of India, Golden Temple, Gol Gumbaz, Hampi Temple, Iron Pillar, Jama Masjid, Kajuru Temple, Meg Palace, Mysore Palace, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, Taj Mahal.
Hindu lunar months:
Bindu, Nurmas, Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyesha, Ashara, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashvija, Kartika, Margashira, Pushya, Magha, Palguna.
Major cities in India:
Major cities in India: Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
five sense organs:
Five sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin.
Kings of Karnataka:
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Krishnavardhana, Malayura Varma, Amogha Varsha, Madakali Nayaka, Kitturu Rani Channamma, Akka Bokka, Jayachamrajaya, Kempegowda.
International airports in India:
International airports in India: Indira Gandhi Airport, New Delhi, Rajiv Gandhi Airport, Hyderabad, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, Mumbai, Chennai Airport, Chennai, Kempegowda Airport, Bangalore.
Fundamental rights of India:
Fundamental rights of India: rights to equality, rights to freedom, rights against exploitation, rights to constitutional remedies, cultural and educational rights, rights to constitutional freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, rights to constitutional remedies.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasties Chalukya, Chola, Vaisala, Maurya, Pallava, Gupta, Rashtrakuta, Mughal, Vijayanagara, Vardhan.